In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete apps from your Android phone. We will cover two straightforward methods so you can choose the one that fits the moment directly from your home screen or app drawer for quick cleanups. And through system settings when an app is acting up or hard to find. I will keep it clear and simple and point out what to watch for along the way. First, the fastest way to remove a single app is right from your home screen or the app drawer. Start by locating the app's icon. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer where all your apps are listed. Press and hold the app icon for about 2 seconds. You will usually feel a slight vibration or see the icon lift. And a small menu will appear. On many phones you will see Uninstall right there. Often with a trash can icon. If you don't see Uninstall in that first menu, tap the small info option to open the app's details, then tap Uninstall. When a confirmation prompt appears, tap OK to finish. One quick note, if you see an option called Remove, that typically just removes the shortcut from your home screen, not the app itself. Look specifically for Uninstall to delete the app. Now, if an app is misbehaving, won't show up where you expect, or you prefer a more methodical approach, use System Settings. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll to and tap Apps, or Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Next, tap See All Apps to view the complete list installed on your phone. Find and select the app you want to remove, then tap Uninstall. Follow any on-screen confirmation to complete the process. A few quick tips to help you feel confident as you go. The exact wording and icons can vary slightly by phone model and Android version. But Uninstall is consistent across devices. If you don't see an Uninstall button for a particular app, it may be a system app or one required by your device, which can't be removed. Deleting an app removes its data from your phone, but it doesn't affect any purchases linked to your account. So you can reinstall later from the Play Store if you change your mind. Also, you don't need to restart your phone after uninstalling. Your storage and app list will update right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.